Alright, for our last page, we have cones, and our formula to find the area, the lateral area of a cone is just pi RL, and the total surface area is pi RL plus pi R squared. So, trying to see if we have the radius and the slant height. We definitely have the radius. That is our 6. The slant height is missing. That's this distance here. That's our hypotenuse in that right triangle. So again, we got to get in some Pythagorean theorem. We're going to have 8 squared plus 6 squared equals c squared. 64 plus 36, c squared, 100, c squared, so 10 when you take the square root is c. So now we have our slant height, so I'm going to change this c to L. And we have a radius, so we can just plug it in. Our lateral area would be pi times 6 times 10. Keep it in terms of pi. That's 60 pi feet squared. That's lateral. So we already know that this is our 60 pi. Now we just got to add the base. So that was pi times 6 squared, which is 36. So 36 pi plus our 60 pi gives me a total of 96 pi feet squared. So on 16, I want you to try to do that one. Again, you need to do Pythagorean theorem, and we've done this triangle 3 times this week, dealing with 3, 4, and 5. So some of you might know it automatically by heart. You've got 16 using the same formulas, and the nets and the composite figures, they want you to find the surface area, which is a total for each of the following. You can use your formula chart, use your flip book, whatever. But I don't care your method, just use your whatever method you use it correctly. So if you're going to use the formula, since this would be a pyramid, then we will be doing 1/2 PL plus our B. And so our perimeter, I'm hoping you see this is our base. Our perimeter is still the distance around the base. Okay. Our B is the area of that base. Oops. And our L is the height of the triangle. So if you use those parts as the formula, that's fine. Or you can break this down to each shape, because if I want the surface area, it's the total area of each face. So I can see that, and I'm just going to give you a hint here. This is 5 by 5, so this is 25. This is 5 base times height, 5 times the 4. Take half of that, so this becomes 10. That let me know each of these are 10. So your total surface area would just be total of those faces. So I can use that to problem solve on a net like on 18, because I want you to recognize that if this is 3.5, then it's 3.5 right there. It's also 3.5 here, 3.5 here. Now think about it. If this is when we have to close it up and visualize. If this is 4 and I fold, this 4 would line up with that. So that's also 4. So you could do the area of each rectangle and then add them up to do the surface area. But you got to figure out which one you want to be your base. Okay? Some of you might want to let these two be the congruent ones. That's your base. Then you got to identify your height and your perimeter. So if you let this be your base, okay, yeah, because that's 4 and 3.5, and that's 4. It's a little not drawn to scale. Then you can use your formula. Here, understand this right here is half a circle, and this is half a circle. But together, they make the whole circle of pi r squared. Okay, same thing, half, half, but together they make the whole, and this is length times width. So I think you have your length, and you have your width for your rectangle. Alright, so get your homework done, be ready to turn it in. We're ready for your quiz tomorrow, and don't forget to finish your flip book. I posted that yesterday. Thanks.